Hey Resonators. Okay, so my question for you today is what year did you graduate high school, or what year will you be graduating high school? I graduated in 2010 and I just realized that this year marks 15 years since I graduated high school, so I'm feeling just a little bit old right now. So anyways, guys, I had to show you one of my latest resin projects. This is something that I was working on with this new mold that I received. I absolutely love it. It has a gorgeous texture to it, unlike any of the other molds that I have. So when I was making this, I thought I would have enough resin to make the lid as well, but I didn't. So these are the final results to the base. I think it came out pretty cute, but now I'm wondering, if I were to make a lid for this container, should I use clear, white, pink, or should I just swirl the colors together? Let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, bye. Okay guys, so today I wanted to show you a quick tutorial on a recreation that I made for a customer here recently for one of my favorite rose containers. So not that long ago, I made one of these rose containers with these chrome leaves, and then I used like a baby pink translucent resin for the rest of the rose. And it came out super cute, but for this one, my customer asked for a red rose, which I was super excited to make because Valentine's Day is coming up and you cannot beat the traditional red rose. So anyways, guys, for this rose container, I used crystal clear resin from Let's Resin, mixed with a couple of different red dyes and a tad bit of this gorgeous red glitter from Resin. Oh, and I used green chrome powder also from Let's Resin for the leaves. Now, my biggest tip for making a good, juicy, translucent color is to use a very small amount of the dye. I've failed making translucent colors so many times because when I'm mixing the color, it looks like it's going to be translucent, and then by the time I pour it into the mold, it's like completely opaque. So you have to trust me on this one. When it comes to dyes and powders with resin and you want to make a translucent color, less is more. So anyways, besties, these are the final results to my latest rose container. You have to let me know what you think about the final results. And be sure to drop some red rose emojis in the comments to show me that you made it to the end of the video. Okay guys, so for my next rose, I need your help. Should I make it black or white? Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, besties, I'll see you in the next video. Stay amazing. Peace. Hey besties, I hope you all have been doing amazing. So today I just wanted to show you quickly how I made the most adorable flower ring bowl. So I got these cute little acrylic flower charms from Amazon, and these are just perfect for most of my resin creations. I wanted to change it up a little bit. I always use the butterflies, so I wanted to try something different, and these flowers are perfect. So I wanted to start out with a pretty simple design just to really let the flowers shine. So I used some crystal clear resin with a tad bit of gold glitter, and I just filled the entire bowl with these adorable flowers. For the lid, I did pretty much the same thing. I just poured the resin down first, and then I just placed the flowers on top like little lily pads. I think it's so adorable. So anyways, guys, once I demolded, I was so excited with these results. I love the way that these flowers kind of melt into the resin, and it just looks so cute, so glamorous, and I need to know what you guys think of the final results. Not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite creations, but I do love pastels and I love these colors, so you guys have to let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out my Etsy shop if you're interested in any of my resin creations, and be sure to drop some flower and gold emojis in the comments to let me know that you made it to the end of the video. All right, my loves, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay kind, stay amazing, and keep on resonating. Peace. Okay, Resonators, so today I want you to let me know what colors you would like to see me use for my next mushroom jar. I absolutely love to make these mushroom jars, but I am having like a resiner's block. You know, like a resin artist version of a writer's block. Like I am looking for any kind of inspiration on my next mushroom jar because I am not getting anything. So for this one, it actually kind of turned out as a resin fail because I had some extra pastel resin that I wanted to use, but I ended up running out of the pastel resin. I didn't have enough to fully make the lid, so I had to add crystal clear resin, which ended up making the colors mix a little bit more than I wanted them to. So the lid ended up only being pretty much blue, and I wanted it to be like pastel blue and purple. So I tried to fix it by painting the dots purple. And this was my next mistake because the paint was just like, it's not the best quality paint, I'm not gonna lie. And it was so clunky and I couldn't get it to come out the way I wanted it to. So I tried my best. You guys have to let me know what you think about the final results. Let me know, is it as tragic as I felt like it was when I was doing it? I mean, I still love the color scheme, but it's just not quite as magical as I was hoping. But I still think the base kind of gives me jellyfish vibes, so I'm not mad about that. So you guys have to let me know what you think in the comments. Peace.